Chicken wings with mango sauce. Here is what you will need to make fried chicken wings with mango sauce. We have about 3 pounds of chicken wings here. Let's use 4 packs of sauce. Mix it. Get a bowl and add the following: 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of flour, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it up. Let's make the mango sauce. On high heat, add the following: half stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of mustard, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard. Optional. Half jalapeno. Mix. Add 2 cups of mangoes, 1 cup of chicken stock. Let it cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. Remove it from the heat and put it all in a blender. Put your wings in the flour mixture. Set your deep fryer to 380 degrees. Deep fry the wings for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, put your mango sauce back on the stove on medium heat and let it cook for 2 more minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it from the deep fryer. Now, just dip your wings in the sauce and enjoy. Please let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Your comments, good or not so good, keep my cameras rolling.